Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into Sin's Workshop. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So, today we're going to be unboxing FairyLoot. I'm pretty sure, I think this is the Epic one. Yeah, it's the Epic Fantasy one. Okay, cool. Why is it I can remember the symbols, but when it comes to Owlcray, I can't remember the damn colors. So this is the quarterly Epic Fantasy box. This is the August one. The Bone Raiders is the book. So I'm really excited. I kept seeing this book pop up on my radar and I'm like, damn, I really want that book. So when I found out that it was going to be one, I was like, yes. This is really cool. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Alright, so here we go. The Bone Raiders. Jackson Ford is the author. I don't really know a whole lot about the book. I just saw 6 kick-ass women on the cover. Doesn't really give me a lot of description. Oh, hello. I love how it kind of like just transitions right there, right? Isn't that cool? Ooh, very nice. They're different. That's cool. Yeah, this is why I wanted this book, because this for this cover, for these chicks, this looks really fucking awesome. Oh, I love that. Alright, front cover end pages. Digital signature. That's so cool. Oh wait, no, physical signature. So, God, I haven't seen this in so long. Back when, you know, back in the day, like 90s, early 2000s, when you would buy like a sci-fi book, that first page after the cover, after the copyright, was always like a 1-page random insert from the book, and you're like, oh man, I gotta read this. And I haven't seen that in so long, and they did that here. That's so cool. Oh my god. This author wrote that series? The girl who can move shit with her mind, random shit flying through the air, I have the shitstorm, and a shitload of crazy powers. My coworker Jessica has told me about this series. She said it's really good. Okay. Jackson Ford. Alright. Ooh, there's a map! Yeah, y'all. Alright, and now back cover. And oh, yeah, that looks cool. I'm here for it. Here for it. I love fantasy. Very cool. Very cool. Ooh. You can't really like tell, like there's shading on the naked, and it looks like kind of like sand. No, it looks like rock. And it's on the back too. Like those little shadings, it makes it look like textured rock. That's really cool. Man, I am excited. This book has been on my radar ever since it came on. I don't know much about it, but I'm just like, I need. So, in any case, thank you all for tuning in to my unboxing of my Epic Fantasy FairyLoot box. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your book loving friends. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy reading.